Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So finally Samsung has started rolling out a very important updates for millions of Samsung devices. Already millions of Samsung devices has got this update, but my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE just got this update today. Usually we receive this update around 21 or 22 and today I think it's August 3. So it's very delayed this time. I don't know why Samsung did this, but yeah, finally we got the update. July update on August. So let me go to settings and let me show you the update size, and obviously we will do a quick review as I always do if you are my old subscriber. First let me go to security and privacy and let me check the update in Google Play if there is any new updates in Google Play. Also let me check for the updates because this update is also very important, just like the security page update of Samsung. So there is no new update in Google Play. So I have already installed the newest version. You can go and check if you haven't updated. I have already. Okay. Now let me go to software update and tap over here. And here you can see it's One UI 8.5 obviously. Now if I tap on update, here you can see there is a new update and the update size is around 279 MB. And obviously it's a security page update of July. So it's a July update and we are getting in August. So Samsung has delayed too much. So let me tap on download. Let me download this update and obviously we will do a small camera testing also, as I always do. Like people say, whenever Samsung roll out a security updates or any other small big updates, always they decrease the camera quality. So that's why whenever I do this monthly update review video, I always make a camera comparison. If you are my old subscriber, you know what I'm talking about, right? Every month I make this security page update video, quick review video. Now before installing this update, let me go to home screen and let me open camera and let me take some photos. 1 or 2. This is 1x and let me take one more photo. Let me take a 3x and we will do a comparison after updating, because most of the people says like after every update Samsung decrease the camera quality. Now let me go to settings and now let me tap on install. Let me install this update and let me fast forward the video. I hope so I will not get any green line, because whenever there is a new update in Samsung phones and whenever you try to install it, there is always a big fear that you will get that green line issue or not. Green line issue. Okay. Alright guys, the updating is done and it took around 5 to 6 minutes. One thing I notice nowadays, like whenever there is a new monthly update or any new update, the restarting is very quick. Previously, whenever we used to get new update, like a monthly update or any new update, the updating process used to be very long, like 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Now I am noticing like since like 2 to 3 or 4 months, the updating process has been reduced. Okay, now it only took around 5 to 6 minutes to completely update this. So it's a good sign, right? Now let me unlock my phone for the first time after updating. And obviously it will take some time to optimize this update. Now let me leave this phone for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I will do a quick testing. Okay, opening and closing the apps, etc. And also we will do that camera testing. Alright guys, after updating, I have used this phone for a few minutes and I did not notice any difference. So obviously it's just a security page updates. There might be a little bit of optimization or there might be some issues, etc. But for that I have to use this update for few more days, right? Currently I did not find any bugs and obviously it's just a security page update. So there is no new feature also. And one more thing I want to tell you that my phone is very heat. It's the temperature, I think it's around 43 or 45 I guess, because it's currently very hot. So this is obviously a bad thing for Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. And I think after each update Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is getting slower and slower. This Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is now almost 3.5-year-old model. So it's getting pretty old, and after each update the phone is getting slower and slower. There is no improvement. Let me tell you guys, I'm telling you my experience. After each update I found that the multitasking is getting worse, the RAM management is getting worse. You can see just now I opened this app but it got refreshed. It did not open where I left. So definitely the multitasking is getting worse and worse. And One UI 9 will be the last software update for the Samsung Galaxy S23 series, and I think after One UI 9 update it will be very difficult to use this Samsung Galaxy S23 series for the basic use also. Currently we can do some basic tasks like watching reels, doing some small multitasking, etc. You can see currently it's kinda not that smooth, but we can use it, right? But I think after updating to One UI 9 it will be very difficult. Now let me open the camera and take 1x and 3x photo just like we did before updating this software, and we will do some comparison. Now let me open the camera and take 1x. This is the 1x image, and let me take 3x. you have to do the what we call comparison. Okay, I won't do the comparison because I know there won't be much difference, but people says like whenever Samsung roll out a new security page update, they always decrease the camera quality. So that's why I do this camera testing. Now here you can see on the left side the image was taken before updating, on the right the image was taken after updating. So you can do the comparison by yourself. Like did you notice any difference? You can tell me in the comments. Alright guys, other than this, the phone is working fine after updating. The opening and closing apps are fine, okay. There is no lag or anything else. Obviously, it's not smooth as the newer Samsung phone, but it's fine, okay. It's, you can see the animations are smooth, not that laggy at all. And other than that, the battery backup I can't test right now. You know, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE has the worst battery backup in Samsung phones, but you know, I just updated this phone, so currently I can't say how much battery backup I will get after updating this phone. I have to use this update for 2 or 3 days, then only I can tell you the battery backup has been decreased or has been increased. But I don't think the battery backup will be increased after any this security page updates. So because the phone is getting older, the software is getting heavier, I think after each update the battery backup will definitely decrease, it won't increase. All right, that's it for this video. Let me know in the comment which phone you have, and if you have any questions, just comment below. I will definitely reply. And subscribe if you have a Samsung phone. You won't be disappointed because I always upload Samsung update related videos and tips and tricks videos. So bye, take care.